How to add a website shortcut to your iPhone home screen 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add a website shortcut to your iPhone home screen 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over again to our Safari right here, and then from in there you can just search for whatever website that you want to add on your iPhone home screen. So for me that will be Amazon. And once you have done that, just head over and open that site, and then this will open right there. So here it is. So if you want to add this website and add this to our shortcut, you can just click on this icon right here, which is the share icon, and then from in there just scroll down until you can see this add to home screen. So click on that icon right there, and then you can just rename it. So for me it will be Amazon, and then click on add, and then as you can see it has been added. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a website shortcut to your iPhone home screen 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.